My people, this is how it's going on here this evening. While it's raining here in Somo Market, friends and family, they are here flexing. Thank God it's Sunday. Oh my God. I'm here live and direct in Somo Market. It's raining this evening on this day, being Sunday, 2nd of June. See how people full inside the canopy while it's raining outside, flexing with their family, friends, and well wishers. Oh my God. Thank God it's Sunday. As you can see, the rain still dropping. See how everywhere is scanty because people run inside the canopies in order to stay there while the rain is falling. This is my first time to experience rain here in Somo Market. Since I have been coming here in Somo Market, this is my first time. Oh my God. They are enjoying. People are flexing, enjoy. Enjoy. Oh my God, this is my first time to witness rain here in Somo Market since I have ever been coming here. This today's Sunday. Oh my God. Oh my God. As well. As you can see how outside is so scanty. Why it's raining here in Somo Market this evening? See how people gather inside the canopy, flexing with friends and well wishers. Why it's raining outside?